Good morning. Kasama ko yung mga kagawad ko, Kagawad Leonard Libunya at sa Secretary. Yan pa pala.
Babasahin na bukas kasi.
Sir, pasensya na po first. Nanginginig po.
Okay, sir.
Introduce yourself muna bago ko. Introduce mo.
Kagawad Leonard Libunya po, Mr. Chair. Author by ng Barangay Ordinance number 01 series of 2024. An ordinance amendment.
Kagawad. Paki-introduce mo naman yung katabi mo.
Si Barangay Secretary, Sec Hani po.
Kasi hinahanap ko eh.
Sec Hani Flores.
Ayan. Sige.
Wala po si Treasurer Mayang po. Masakit po yung
Okay.
pakiramdam.
Sige po.
So,
Tuloy po, Kagawad.
Ordinance amending.
Naka-live ka.
Yes po. Section 5, A, B, and C, and Section 4, A of Barangay Ordinance number 006, series of 2016, and Section 4 of Barangay Ordinance number 011, series of 2017, otherwise known as Revenue Ordinance of Barangay Manresa.
Okay po, Kagawad. Stop muna tayo dyan, ha?
Thank you po.
Okay. So, I would like to ask Mr. Chair, yung Barangay Secretary was able to comply with the requirements of the Barangay Revenue Ordinance?
Nakapag-comply na po.
Ano po bang kino-comply? Did you submit the requirements, yung minutes, public consultation conducted, attendance, ayan,
Kompleto na po.
kompleto. So I would like to ask the Secretariat if the said Sangguniang Barangay was able to comply with the requirements.
Yes, sir, I concur.
Okay,
Sir,
so
for the record, they complied with the requirement of public hearing accompanied by the attendance and the pictures
okay.
of the said hearing.
May kasama ba doon, Mr. Chair, yung nagpakain po sila?
Ay, meron.
Kasi, ano ba? Kasi hindi po naman ho pwede
Wala po
yung...
sa budget, Mr. Chair.
Hindi ho kayo nagbigay na pagkain doon sa inyong meeting?
Si Sec po yan nagpakain.
Hindi na kami pupunta sa inyo, hindi pala kayo nagpapakain.
Joke lang po, Mr.
Pictures
Chair.
lang wala pala. Okay, I would like to inform with your kind indulgence, Mr. Chair,
Yes, Mr.
the Kagawad and the Punong Barangay that when we discuss revenue ordinance, mahaba-haba po, no? Kasi ito po will affect ng inyong sa income ng barangay. So ang ginagawa po namin ito, iniisa-isa namin. And then we require that at least three committee meetings, no? Isa-isahin namin. Since this is the first pa-hearing, we're just asking for the compliance and then na-comply nyo naman po. Ibig sabihin yan, we can proceed in the next committee hearing. Because kami mismo, kailangan alamin muna namin isa-isa. No? Kung tama pa ba or what, ano yung nilalagay nyo. Ha? At least isang committee hearing na tayo. Kap, di ba? Kapitan ng UP Campus?
Yes.
Ayan. Okay. Iniisa kasi natin. Ina-itemize po kasi natin. Ngayon po, ang tanong ko po dito ay kailan po yung huli yung Barangay Revenue Ordinance?
2017.
2017.
Yes po.
So ngayon ay
25 po.
So it's more than 5 years. So what you're going to do is just come up with your own o bagong Barangay Revenue Ordinance. Hindi po ganito. You are not amending but you are going to enact a new Barangay Revenue Ordinance. Ang maging guide nyo po yung ginawa ng city, yung defined
Guideline.
doon na. Ha?
Inadapt po namin yun.
Ano inadapt? Inadapt niyo ba to?
Yes po.
Senda lang po namin.
Hindi.
Hindi, sa title kasi.
Sa title po kasi.
Oo. Kasi 2017 ang sabi nyo.
Yes po.
So it's more than 5 years. So you come up with your own revenue ordinance when in fact you were required na gagawa ng lahat ng mga barangay gagawa ng sariling barangay revenue ordinance ka, no? So this is now the time na gagawa kayo sa time ni Kapitan, no? 'Di ba, Kap? Hindi pa kita nabisita ron, Kap, ha? I-schedule natin si Kap Tambis kasi maraming tambis doon sa barangay niya. Di ba ko? Ano ba yung tambis? Makopa yun, di ba?
Matamis po.
Ha?
Nag-iisang tapis na ako doon.
Kap, okay. So, the Secretariat will provide you with mga ordinansa ng revenue ordinance na na-approve na namin.
Okay.
Para yun ang inyong susundan. Ano ha? Kagawad ha?
Mr. Chair.
Oh, okay. So with that, Mr. Chair, I move that we defer consideration of Barangay Revenue Ordinance na number of Barangay Manresa.
Ikaw wala pa.
Second na, Mr. Chair.
Sige na. Andito siya oh. Pare, nag-motion na ako. Kahit nandiyan ka, pwede ka nang approve.
Motion to defer.
Di ba sa motion to defer pare?
Okay, so there's a motion for the deferment of ordinance number 01, series of 2024 of Barangay Manresa, duly seconded. Said barangay ordinance is hereby deferred.
Kap.
Thank you.
Ay, congratulations Kap, may bago kang sasakyan.
Thank you, Barangay Manresa.
1 minute recess, Mr. Chair.